What's up, TooReal gang? This your boy JemmyTooReal. You already know what it is, and I'm back with another video. I'm sweating a little bit because you know I've been out here working. Alright, TooReal gang, y'all see what's going on. I'm doing the toe. Excuse my fingers. Making sure everything's strapped down. I gotta have at least 4 points of contact, but I got 5 because I got the chain on it, the J hooks. And y'all see somebody gave me a call this morning. I'm picking it up on the side of the road. Ever since I started this company, I've been getting calls. So y'all need a tow, y'all hit me up. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna put you more in the day in the life with me. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm a hustler, man. I do multiple things. Amazon, rent properties. I just bought a tow truck, and I'm showing people a day in the life with me on how I do. And we making moves, man. I need y'all to stay tuned. Y'all keep learning. Y'all tell a friend to tell a friend about JemmyTooReal. And we're gonna keep growing businesses, man. Support each other. Everybody gotta support each other. Y'all stay focused, y'all stay real, y'all stay true. And I'ma offload this vehicle, man. And y'all just keep watching. I'ma take y'all on a journey with me. We're on the road right now. There's a little bit of traffic. State troops got somebody jammed up there. And I'm just trying to get through, man, so I can hurry up and deliver this vehicle. I don't know what the play is, but let me get over. Always supposed to get over when y'all see emergency vehicles on the side of the road, man. It's a move over law. Definitely in the state of Florida. I don't know where y'all live at around the world, around the country, but it's a move over law, and you gotta follow it. It's a bad accident. They might need me soon too. Hey man, y'all, if y'all need me, man, hit me up. Moat Logistics on Facebook if y'all in the Jacksonville, Florida area, man. TooReal gang, it's about to start raining, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this vehicle to where it belongs, because I don't want to get caught up in the rain, and I need to get a rain jacket, man. I forgot to bring a rain jacket, and I got Crocs on. I'm tripping, but the girl kept hitting me up. I wanted to hurry up and get her vehicle so she don't have to be worried, because it was on the side of the road. You know, it's all about good customer service skills. But if you want to start a towing business, it's very lucrative. I just set up a contract with Copart, and in the meantime, you could get random calls. You can make $400, $500, $600 a day if you really apply yourself and put your mind to it. This is a six-figure business. So do your research, find out what's going on in your city, how can you connect with the people, and how to get contracts with these mechanic shops, car lots, paint shops, auctions. It's dealers everywhere, man. There's dealers everywhere. I'm trying to get off the road. These cars flying. Let me get off. But think about that. Think about what's going on in your city. What can you do? How can you be an influence? How can you provide and fix a problem that's needed? Because it might not be the towing business. It might be food. You might need a food truck. Think about what you need to do so you can multiply. It's always a problem that needs to be solved. So man, y'all stay tuned. I'm glad y'all locked in with me. This your boy JemmyTooReal. Let's go. All right, TooReal gang, I took that vehicle off, and you know what's crazy? I ain't even recorded. I showed y'all it was on there. I showed y'all, oh my God, my dog is biting up my waist. Oh my, let me show y'all something. I was just about to come out here and mess around, and this dog is biting up my waist. My dog been in here biting my weights up, man. Them 30 pounds, he probably took 5 pounds off that thing. What is he doing, man? He can't be free out here like that. My wife gotta put him up, man. He is tearing up. Look, he tore up the handle on both handles. The cushion is gone. It's on the ground. He cannot be loose out here. Money. You a bad boy. Oh my God. He is messing up my little workout area, man. Yeah, you bad, boy. Man, JemmyTooReal gang. That's crazy. Hey, what y'all think about that, man? My dog just bit up on my weights. But anyway, I ain't show y'all me taking off the vehicle. It'll be a lot going on, as you can see, in my life, real personal life and business life. I'm almost coming up on the 100 episode, man. Ain't that crazy, man? So if you've been rocking with me from day one, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm growing it, and it's gonna get real big. I already know, because I'm a very active person. I'm 36 years old. If you've been watching, you know. You saw my birthday, October 20th. And I'm gonna do something every year. We're gonna do things bigger and bigger. I'm gonna just keep vlogging, man. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I finally started doing it. It took me about 2 to 3 years before I started. Money, I'm not letting you in. I gotta go meet a tenant, a new tenant, about to move them in. Trying to check on some stuff with the new towing business. I'm just all over the place, y'all. So as I get my life in order, I'ma keep shooting, I'ma keep filming, I'ma keep grinding, because YouTube, that's a whole nother business and a whole nother, you know, digital asset that I'm working on, and you gotta edit it and everything. So as you can imagine, between me working out, dealing with kids, handling business, it's, you know, my day is consistently going all day. My mind is spinning because I'm grinding, man. I'm making moves. I'm trying to get ready for what's next. And I already got an idea. I might bring y'all into my world and show y'all a little bit of what I might be doing in the future. But I thank y'all for watching. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's been a long day. I did a tow yesterday. I didn't bring my son with me today, but he was with me yesterday. And we, you know, we did somebody who worked down at the courthouse, man, and we towed their son car. It was a bittersweet moment. Today I did another tow, and hey, I made it happen. It was an easy tow, because compared to yesterday, we couldn't get the steering wheel out of a certain angle. It was facing all the way to the right, the wheels and whatnot. So the car came up on the flatbed at an angle. And today it was easy because I had full control over the steering wheel, and I was able to just roll the car off and pull it on because it crunk up and it came on. So I don't know, man. I guess it get greater later. So, you know, I'm gonna just keep grinding and learning. And I know a few dudes that that's on my Facebook. Matter of fact, they basically been giving me game on, you know, what I should do, what I need to do, who to talk to, X, Y, and Z. And I'm gonna start connecting with them dudes so I could really like tap into the towing world. And at the same time, in the future, I might be getting a towing yard, because I heard how much it made, man. I heard this one dude, he make over 100 grand a month just off his yard, off of storage. So yeah, man, there's so much money in this. Y'all tap in, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all tune in to what I got going on. Y'all tell a friend and lock in. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'ma still be here. I'ma grind every day. I'ma drop new content. I got so many different things going on. But in the meantime, between time, I'm about to go over here and check out these weights money done ate up and tow up. That dog crazy. Let me show y'all again, man. That's crazy. Ate up my weights. What is he on, man? Look at that. Took about 5 pounds off that thing. I'm gonna have to go buy me some more weights. It's all good. Y'all tune in. I gotta go holler at some new tenants and move them in. I stay busy, man. I stay on the move. I love y'all. Peace.